Hello everyone, in this video we are going to design alert dialog box. So when we click on this button, we will see this pop up, and when we click on continue, it get disappear. So let's see how we can design this in our Figma file. So first we will press F to create a frame. Then we will choose MacBook Air and change the color to 0. Thereafter we have to create a button first. So we will create a button. So first we will put the text and adjust the font size and font weight. I will be choosing 14 pixel font size and medium font weight. Thereafter we will press Shift A to create auto layout. Thereafter we will create a border using stroke and press F keyword on the color box to make it white. After that we will reduce the opacity to 20% of the border. After that we will make it rounded by 6 pixels. Thereafter, for horizontal padding, we will set 16 pixels and let the 10 pixel vertical padding. So now we have to create the alert dialog. For that, first we add text and adjust the font size to 18 pixels and font weight to semi bold. After that, we will duplicate the layer and write our another text. For this text, we will set the font size to 14 pixels and font weight to medium. We will reduce the opacity of this text to 45%. We will also set this text width to 462 pixels. After that we will arrange these into auto layout using Shift A and arrange the gap of 12 pixels. After that we have to add buttons, so we will simply duplicate the buttons. So we need to add 2 buttons. Thereafter we will change the text. For the second button we have to fill it by white color, so we will remove the stroke and add fill. For text we will choose black color. We will also combine these two layers into an auto layout, so we will press again Shift A and give gap of 12 pixels. We will also arrange these buttons to right side. After that we will combine these into an auto layout using Shift A. Thereafter we will set this button width to fill and give 24 pixels padding from all side. To give padding for all side, we will press Ctrl and click on any one of these. Thereafter we will put our value 24 pixels. Thereafter we will fill it by black color. We also have to make it rounded by 6 pixels, so we will make it rounded. One more thing we need to add, which is stroke. So we will go to stroke and change the color to white and reduce the opacity to 20%. So we have successfully created our alert dialog. Now let's make it a component. By pressing Ctrl Alt K, we can make it component. After that we will change the name to alert dialog. Now we have to move to the prototype section. For that, first we will arrange this button to the center by pressing on this to arrange horizontally center, and by pressing on this we can arrange it to vertical center. After that we have to press Shift E so we can see the prototype menu. Thereafter, while hovering on this button, we can see this plus button, so we will drag this to our component and change this navigate with open overlay and see that it is centered. So we will check this. So when we click on the outside of the box, it get closed automatically. And we will also check this add background, so we can see a variation of background. So we will change this color to white and set the opacity of 5%. Now everything been set. Now let's check the prototype. So we will go to the frame and press Ctrl Alt Enter. As we can see that this is looking in a MacBook, so we can change this from by clicking on show prototype setting and change the device to none. So as we can see that when we click on this button, we can see this pop up, and when we click outside we can see this, but the button is not working. To make the button also working, we can change the prototype. Simply go to the buttons and select the button and drag it to the previous layer, and we will do this with both. We will do this to the second button also. So as we can see that now when we click on this button, the pop-up appear, and when we click on any of this button, it get disappear. So I hope you have clearly understand this tutorial. If you have any doubts, you can reach with me in comments. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.